Hello everyone, welcome to another video. If you are planning to install Windows 11 but you are not able to do that because of the TPM or CPU requirement as suggested by Windows 11, you can follow the steps that we take you through in this video to install Microsoft Windows 11 on a system which does not meet the requirement of TPM or CPU. This method is suggested by Microsoft only. However, they do not recommend installing Microsoft Windows 11 on a device which does not meet the minimum requirement. Having said that, let's go through the process which we can follow to install if a device does not meet the minimum requirement to install Microsoft Windows 11. So I've already downloaded Microsoft ISO image for Windows 11 from Microsoft website. If you need to download that, please follow another video that I've already uploaded. Once you have this image, let's proceed with the setup. Install Windows 11. Let's uncheck I want to help make the installation better and click on next. Let's wait for the 11 setup to check for updates. Now we can see that we have the message the processor is not supported for this version of Windows, and this PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement, and hence we will not be able to proceed with the installation. But if we follow the hack suggested by Microsoft, we need to create a registry entry. Let's go to registry editor, and we need to navigate to HKey local machine system setup mo setup, and then create a new entry. If it is not already there, allow upgrades with unsupported TPM or CPU with a value 1. We'll update this and close this window. And get back to the setup.exe. Let me switch off my internet and then start off the setup again so that it doesn't look for updates. Let's uncheck I want to help make the installation better and click on next. It took a couple of minutes to check the system. I have edited the video and removed that part to save on the time. We can go ahead and accept the license terms. Now as we can see that we are no longer receiving that message that your system is not supported, and we are able to proceed with the installation after we have made the change in the registry. Now as we can see, the setup is allowing us to proceed with the installation, but there is something which they want to draw our attention to. and they want us to accept this PC does not meet the minimum system requirements for running Windows 11. These requirements help to ensure a more reliable and higher quality experience, and that there can be issues, compatibility issues, if you still continue with the installation. And if you accept and acknowledge and you have read and understand this statement, you can go ahead and accept this and proceed with the installation. Thank you everyone. That's all we had for this video. You can also try on your own to set up Windows 11 and do share your experience. Do hit like and subscribe button if you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you.